Hi friends, how are you? In this video clip, I am going to continue the previous video clip, that is classification of composites. In my first video, I gave introduction. In my second video, I gave the first part of the classification of fiber reinforcement composites. How composites are reinforced, how they are classified based on the reinforcement methods. Now same topic I am continuing. I explained in that previous video about the continuous fiber reinforcement, that is unidirectional, bidirectional, three-dimensional, single layer, multi-layer, or laminates and hybrids. Okay, now what is discontinuous fibers? Discontinuous fibers, how in this discontinuous fibers, the fibers are not a filaments. Even though the filaments are are not in a proper way. It's a randomly. First method is a random layout will be there. Second method is planned layout will be there. In the random discontinuous fibers, maybe crystalline, maybe particles, maybe in short fibers or even filaments, it is crisscrossed, randomly placed. See, in this is a three-dimensional composite material. Just for your examples, this don't think that this is a product. These figures are drawn only for the assumptions to how the product is there. This is a three-dimensional composite is there. This single layer is a 2D is there, 3D is there. This is a folded one. A composite is there. See. Random layout means the fibers are not like, see what is the difference between these two? Here properly arranged filaments, fibers are properly arranged in a systematic way, but the fibers are placed here randomly, crisscross, anything how there is there. The only concentrate is given on the shape of the composite, but inside the placement of the fibers are random, crisscross, anything. Okay, this is there. And plan means that maybe planning is required. Sometimes the composites are need in some part of the composites required high strength, and some parts of the fibers are required flexible, foldable, or some parts of the composite required stiff. Like that, some different properties are required in such a way that it is fiber placement, reinforcement of the fibers are manipulated. Sometimes it is a planned proper how the property is required, the end property is required. Based on that, fibers are reinforced in the composite materials. Okay, this is about the classification of reinforced fibers, classification based on the fiber reinforcement. Okay friends, the filaments, fibers composite, some composites are technical term is fibrous composite. Fibrous composite means the filaments are reinforced in a continuous form or anything. The fibers are the composites which are reinforced with the fibers are called fibrous composites, and particulates composites means in this not fibers, instead of fibers some raw the raw material of the fibers, that may be crystalline or short or particles of the small particles or some other crystalline small size of the that main material is reinforced, that is particulate composites and fiber composites. Okay, this is about the fiber reinforcement classifications. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel Veeranna Textile and Fashion Technology Tutorials. My channels are running, viewed, watched by many people around the world. Okay, both Eastern countries and Western countries. I am in India. Okay, please comment. Any doubts are there? Okay, now onwards I will not only take the classes for the regular subject like dyeing fibers, dyeing, yarn, spinning and things, but also I started the advanced textile technology, the composites, nanotechnology, high performance fibers. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.